Hello friend, I am back with one more video with informative informations. Okay, so let's today we will discuss about AFO. Okay, analysis for office. Okay, but for as a BW consultant, okay, we should know about analysis for Excel. Okay, so this is a very frequent tool nowadays and very popular, and most of the projects these tools are using. So all my professional and fresher and beginners, okay, it is very helpful to all of you. So really, I am very excited to give the detail about AFO and how we basically use for that server access for the practice purpose. Okay, so let's come on and I'll tell you how to use basically the server for the practice. Okay, so let's already we will have a BW for HANA servers. Okay, so already connected with that. So this is the we have a BW for HANA servers. Okay, so that BW for HANA server is a remote server where all the tool are integrated. There is no any GUI features. I mean, GUI you need will connect it. Here we will have a remote. Why remote? Because multiple tool are connected, integrated are there. That's the reason we need a remote server access. Okay. So if you are in the BW server, remote server access, okay, you will have to find it. If you go for the search options and you can just type analysis for Excel. Okay, so we will have multiple tools are there, all PowerPoint, Access. Okay, so mostly the BW consultant we will use a Microsoft analysis for Microsoft Excel. So that's why I'm going to okay provide the detail about analysis for Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's click on this. So whenever you click start loading your Microsoft Excel, okay, now you can see it is clearly mentioned SAP analysis is analysis for Microsoft Excel. Okay, now under this you will see in the top you will have an analysis tab. Okay, if if you, before going to open, you make sure that the software is going to install in your server. So the provider will do that. No worry about it. If you are using from any provider, so they will basically provide or install and everything to and all. So it is already installed. So whenever you open this, okay, you will have a called analysis. Under analysis, you will have the left side insert data sources. Just click on this. Okay, now you have to here multiple options are there. Okay, so now we will select here data source for the analysis. Click on this. Now it is asking here. See, this is a platform. BU. It is a platform. Okay. So here I'm not going to enter anything. Just skip it. Okay. Now, okay. So it is automatically having that one access. Okay. But in the real time, if the security or basis team have given some user ID, then you have to log in using that user ID and password. But this is a IDS training system, so it is not a mandatory. Anyone can log in without login detail. Okay, just you can skip it. Okay, now come to S4 HANA and BW for HANA. So where you have a report, okay, I mean either you can have a S4 HANA, then you can go here and search your report in S4 HANA and you can display it as per the report like a design. Okay, now we are into the BW for HANA. So we are familiar, we are a consultant of the BW for HANA. So we want to learn about BW, how we can use uh, analysis for Excel in the respect of BW for HANA. So just select it and go to next. Okay, now here you will have to provide the detail about the BW for HANA. So BW for HANA a detail like okay, and you have to give the user ID. So let's remind my user ID once. Yeah, we will have. Okay, now here we will have a user ID. Let me give the user ID detail over here. Just to wait something. Yeah, I guess. something slowness. Just to wait a minute. I'm going to give here or something. Let me cancel and I'm going to again 400 and then W27. Yeah. 1 second. So you can select language, that is EN, and click OK. Click continue. Something is attempt is failure. Let me again, I'm trying the correct password. Maybe I'm putting a wrong password. Maybe the reason. Let me try once. Again, have some issues. Let me check the correct password. SBW17. SBW17. Yeah, this is user mistakes. Okay. Now you have to give the correct username and password. Okay. So let's see. Connections still having some issues. Let me, yeah, it is connecting. Yeah. Finally, we have connected with this source, that is BW. Okay. So now you can select here and choose your where is your report, basically under which role, which workspace, or if you know that directly the query name, you can get that, you can put it and search your query name. So I am not aware exact query. Okay, if you're not aware, then you can go for the your particular area. Okay, where is that query is available. Okay, let's see. Under role we will have here options. Under area you can choose your info area. Okay, where is, let's see something. I'm choosing this one. Okay, test something data is available. Yeah, this is the query with the test data. Okay, just double click on this. Now you can see your complete queries will be here with a data. Yeah, you can see very user friendly and fast. Okay, compared to your other reporting tool. If you compare the Bex Analyzer or web browser or whatever like tools, it is very fast and very interactive. Okay, and very easy to handle it. That is the one more thing here. Okay, now you can see this is the analysis tab. Okay, under this you will have a here options. These are the data source and objects, and these are the column. Okay, if you want to remove anything, this is a column. Okay, let's see, I want to just drag and drop in the left panel. Okay, see, it's very easy. Okay, if you want to anything, just location, drop and drop, you can drop it. So row, similar, you can insert your info objects, characteristics, and column for the key figure. We are already aware. Okay, if in case background filter, that is the background, that means, okay, if in case anything you don't want to display. Okay, I mean, so you can put it. Let's see, I'll show you. Let's see location I don't want. Let's see what's happening. See, if you can see, it will not going to display anything, but it would be over here. Okay, this is okay. Let's see, I would like to display under row, so you can put it here, so your location basically would be display. Let's see, or you direct here can move into row or column where you want to move. Yeah, see, it is the location, it came here. Okay, so similar. Okay, similar way you can do it. Okay, similar way, I mean, if you can have some restrictions, right click here, or if you have something filter option, let's see, I would like to filter something. So let's see here, I don't want, I want just selective options, so only this data will display, right? So this is how it works basically. Okay, and this is a way, okay, you can apply. Okay, so this is a way basically you can go more detail would be here, like informations about this query and main component. Okay, you can see here you will have some transactions data. Okay, so all the detail would be, if you will do the planning level, you can do have the planning level, so you can check it. Okay, so this is how basically we are connecting with analysis for office or analysis for Excel. Okay, and you can try, if in case any query, please mail us. Okay, or any issues or anything required, any questions, please mail us. We will definitely we will help you out. Okay, if in case anything. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, and definitely you should like and comment, or whatever your opinion, please, it's matter for us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.